Welcome. Today we're doing Been Around the World coffee trading business simulation. We've got all our props here at the front. We've got all these represent 1-ton sacks of coffee. You can see there's real coffee inside. So today we've got Africa's American, Brazilian, Caribbean, Far Eastern and Turkish. Over here we've got the rules actually very coolly done as a coffee menu. So it's everything after the briefing is in there for them. The all-important team planning sheet that they'll need to use to stay on top of it. And this is an example of what they have in their box. So they've got some coins in there, some information and a reinforcement of the rules. Everything here is going to be the 12 teams. They're all going to be working together. They're going to try and get as much money as possible for their teams, right? And they've got the money represented here. And we're going to be doing lots of trading and ringing the bell. It's going to be a great experience.